Welcome to today's episode of Podcast Name. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that is reshaping the way we think about technology and collaboration in the software development world, GitHub and its incredible suite of tools. So you might be wondering, what makes GitHub so special? Well, let's unpack that. GitHub is much more than just a code repository. It's like a vibrant community where developers not only store their code, but also collaborate, track changes, and even automate workflows. That sounds pretty busy, doesn't it? Imagine a bustling marketplace where each developer sets up their stall, showcases their unique creations, and collaborates with others to improve and innovate. One of the standout features of GitHub is GitHub Copilot. Now, think of Copilot as your smart coding partner, like having an extra brain that helps you write better code. It uses AI to suggest lines of code as you type, learning from you along the way. How cool is that? But it does raise a question. Could relying on AI in such an intimate way make us less adept at coding ourselves? Switching gears a bit, let's talk about security. GitHub has tools designed to find and fix vulnerabilities in your code, which can save developers a lot of time and heartache. It's like having a security guard for your code base, right? And we all want our projects to be as safe as possible, especially when they go live. So what could happen if a piece of critical code gets compromised? Now let's not forget about actions and code spaces. Actions allow developers to automate their workflows, making it easier to manage projects and push updates. On the other hand, code spaces provides instant development environments. It's a dream come true for developers who want to dive into coding without the headache of setup. How would you feel if you could code from anywhere, on any device, instantly? And here's something interesting. GitHub is also committed to supporting open-source developers through initiatives like GitHub Sponsors. This creates a cycle of innovation and support that allows developers to thrive. What are your thoughts on the importance of funding open-source projects? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the community around GitHub. There are discussions, articles, and even events that keep the community engaged and informed. It's a continuous learning process, like attending a workshop without leaving your desk. So to sum up, GitHub is not just a platform for code. It's a powerful ecosystem that balances innovation, security, and community collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and discover. As we finish today's discussion, I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you see platforms like GitHub evolving in the future? What tools do you think will become essential for developers down the line? Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. Keep coding, stay curious, and until next time, take care.